I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Update your Ps4 firmware and the Remote Play app on your device. Enable Remote Play on the console, then set network and rest mode options so the Ps4 stays reachable. Link your PSN account and check two-step authentication. If enabled, keep your phone ready for codes. Once done, open the Remote Play app and sign in. The app will search for your console. This initial handshake is the foundation for a stable connection. Next, optimize the network so your streaming is smooth. You should plug the Ps4 into Ethernet. If you must use Wi-Fi, choose a 5 GHz band and place both devices near the router. Configure router settings. Co-S to prioritize console traffic or port forwarding for ports 9295, 9297, only if auto connect fails. In the Remote Play app, pick a resolution and frame rate that match your upload speed. Finish by running a short Remote Play session to verify video, audio, and controller input. If you experience stuttering or disconnects, restart the router and the Ps4, then retry pairing. This simple reset often clears NAT or handshake problems. If controller input lags, use a USB cable or repair the dual shock controller through Bluetooth. And one key troubleshooting tip. If connection problems persist, temporarily disable VPNs and mobile hotspots. Those change routing and can block the Remote Play handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.